honestly don't know why. I decided to make a video today, but I got so lazy. I got so lazy to fix my hair. Hi guys, it's Tote, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a haul of everything that I got from attending the event of 2049 in Singapore. I'm gonna try my best to show everything to you guys as organized as possible. So I have already sent all of the t-shirts that I got to the dry cleaners. So everything is kind of a mess right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to show you guys all of the merch that I got, or am I gonna be able to show you guys everything? I'm not sure. Let's just get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with the stickers. They're all over the place. I can't actually remember where I got each one of them. Okay, so I got this sticker. I don't remember where I got this from. Damn. Should have organized this first before I started making the video. I also got this merch. I got a lot of like random stuff here. I remember this is blue. You Clubs, Anon, and the other one is Dijon. I love Dijon. I love Dijon so much. I also have this sticker. I have a lot of stickers, honestly. This one is Sky. I think this comes with the tumbler that I got. I also got a tumbler from Sky. Just this one. Speaking of tumbler, I showed you guys this Sky tumbler. I also got this Mew. I don't know if I said that right. I kind of like this because it's my favorite color, red. So I got tumblers. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I got. I also got Yes Coin. This is another sticker, and another sticker, and another sticker. Oh, I know I got this from this Bloom event. I remember. Also got these. Look at them guys, they're so cute. I also got these. And I got these, but I think I got this from Token 2049 in Marina Bay. Clickbait. Okay, so I got stickers. I also got some keychains. I know I got more keychains than this. I just don't know where I put it. I know that I put these guys in one place, but somehow I only got two. I also got these playing cards. There's a poker. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on with all the caps that I got. First, I got this Trust cap. I know I got this from that event that I went to just across Marina Bay from Monty's. And then I got this Access cap. And then this is from Gemini. I know I also got a Gemini tote bag here. And this is the Burn and Earn cap. I think I'm gonna give this to my brother. Last one I got is the Somia cap. Again, I think I'm also gonna give this away to my brother. I think I'm gonna say sombrero caps. I feel like every time I keep saying cap or I'll just say it's a baseball cap. These are baseball caps, right? I keep saying cap like it's not legit. Damn, I can't keep up with all the jargons anymore. Anyway, these are all of the baseball caps that I got. I think I'm gonna move on with all the t-shirts that I got from these events. I'm gonna start with the white t-shirts that I got. First one, Token. I don't know if you guys can see it. Token 2049. Yes, Singapore. This is the back. I like the design, but it's kind of thin. Yeah, the fabric is kind of thin, but it's nice. I like it. The next white t-shirt that we have is polka dot. I like this shirt. I really like this shirt. This is the back of the shirt. Clickbait! Another clickbait! next white t-shirt is Trust. Trust who? Trust me, you can set you free. Oy! I also got this from Monty's, from that event at Monty's. This is the back of the shirt. And then this is the front. I actually like this shirt. It's the USDS hoodie. And this is the back. It's just, there's nothing in it. Guys, I got a lot of merch. Tried to fit everything in my luggage. I didn't think that I would be bringing home this much. So this is the other one. I also got this at the Trust event, the Crypto Carnival at Monty's. If my brother is watching this right now, you can't have it. This is mine. Moving on, I have another hoodie. This is from Trust. Must be giving a lot. Like, I got this hoodie. And this is what's in the back. I should be telling you guys my experience from Tote 2049. Honestly, I really did enjoy all of the events. I kind of wish I went to more of them because I'm kind of getting like FOMO vibes from seeing some of my new friends attending to like different parties. I feel like I should have gone to more parties during my time in Singapore. Everyone there is approachable and everyone is like sharing all their knowledge about crypto, everything that they know about crypto and everything there is I need to know about crypto. I mean, not everything, of course, but like at least the basic knowledge. Because as someone who has like no experience with crypto, and I'm honestly just starting with crypto, I have learned a lot in like attending those events and like meeting new people, like people from like different fields, people who work with crypto and people who work for crypto companies. It was really fun. Next! Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites as well. This one, Mew came with a tumbler. This one also came with a tote bag, which I'm gonna be showing you guys later. And it came with a... Look at her! Look at him! Look at her! Just look at the cat! She's so cute. Let's like show you guys what this is. Yes! Now I won't have any reason to buy like oversized shirts because I already got them. Anyway, moving on. I got this MTT Sports t-shirt. Back is actually clean. Next is this Access t-shirt. This t-shirt, the fabric of this shirt is honestly good for working out. This is the back of the shirt. Okay, next t-shirt. I got the Abstract t-shirt. Yeah, this also came with a tote bag. So this is what's behind the shirt. Next t-shirt, I got this Multiverse shirt. This is the back of the shirt. I really like this Injective shirt. I saw some of the people, they have the Injective tote bag and I wasn't really able to grab one, so I only got the shirt. Guys, I like the Injective tote bag so much, but I don't have it, so this is the only thing that I got from Injective. Girl, I forgot to show this. I also got this cool ass shades. I think this was from Trust Wallet as well. Okay. I'm gonna be moving on. I got this OKX bag. If you guys haven't registered on your OKX wallet, just click the link in the description box down below. Next, we have the Checkmate Party After Dark tote bag. Moving on. This is one of my favorite, and you can actually tell. Currently using this tote bag. It's from Abstract. I can actually fit my laptop here, everything, my whole life, my whole house. I can fit everything in this tote bag. Let us move on. This is a tote bag that I got from Mew. got this trust tote bag. I have a picture during the event with this tote bag. So I'm just gonna make it pop. Boop. I don't even know if it's a tote bag, but I think this is a eco bag. Or maybe it is a tote bag. This is a weird looking bag, guys. But this is from Gemini. You see that? We ain't broke, we pre-rich. From Gemini. I'm not even a Gemini, guys, so support Geminis. Oh my goodness. I think that's everything that I got. Okay guys, so that is everything that I got from attending these events from Token 2049 in Singapore. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like and share it to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.